Aspera provides a high-speed data transfer protocol, and one of the most significant growing areas of need is taking advantage of cloud computing and storage in media enterprises. One of the fundamental technology challenges then is getting media data in and out of the object storage. So we are announcing here at IBC a service offering for Microsoft Azure in partnership with Microsoft that allows for transfer of any size media file data in and out of Azure. This is a sister offering to what we currently offer for the Amazon Web Services platform with direct transfer to and from Amazon S3. Actually, Netflix is a customer of Amazon Web Services, and they do use our software for significant data transfer over 100 terabytes a month, actually in and out of S3. And this offering for the Azure Blob is a corollary to that opens up the same kind of possibilities for data transfer in and out of Azure with media files of any size at global distances and transfer between the two clouds. So Aspera is a core technology that's used to move the data securely in software. And in these cases, particularly on large-scale ingest of media content, we provide the server-side software that interfaces with the cloud storage and the client-side software that's used to initiate the transfer. And then our protocol, core technology called FASP, is used over the wide area in that data transfer to provide high speed and predictable throughputs. Well, there is the great promise of the cloud with compute scale out and storage scale out. The corollary to, or the challenge that goes along with that, is the fact the infrastructure is not necessarily designed for big media. For example, the storage infrastructure in object stores is designed for blobs that are relatively small in media terms, 64 megabyte to 128 megabyte chunks. So large data typically has to be divided up into chunks, which results in complexity as well as also throughput limitations. And then finally, the native interface in a typical object store is HTTP based. So you have a fundamental limit over the WAN in terms of the efficiency. So one really has to attack those three problems, the object store structure, the I/O interface, as well as the long distance transport in order to deal with it practically and make it possible to move big stuff in and out. I think the most important aspect of this industry is the end-to-end nature of digital file-based supply chains. And for us, being in the middle of data transfer, our customers are expecting us to provide a full solution that not only moves the media, but also gives it the ability to be verified and also to be integrated nicely into several types of workflows. So we have spent a great deal of time making an open platform that combines together with workflow management and extensive APIs. Here, for example, in Europe, there are several format standards for video through IRT and the DPP specification. Those are things we build plugins for that we interface on either side of delivery. And then also we provide a pretty significant SDK and developer network resource that allows us to integrate into media workflows. And I think that's been the #1 driver for us in our sort of openness of our platform and the expansion of it, in addition to the performance and cloud integration.